Hello Brian, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2014 Infiniti Q40 all-wheel drive. This vehicle has 142,219 kilometers and the price is $15,888 plus HST and license. This vehicle comes with a fully safety certified, and there is a 3.7 liter black interior inside, sunroof, and gonna clean everything cleans inside. This vehicle is available at this time. If you have some question regarding for this Infiniti, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.